Can I have a dozen, please? Just a very small amount of sugar. It's okay. Thank you.
Can I have 6 pieces, please? 6.
And guys, I am proud to say na nagluto ako ng patbit ngayon. All ingredients coming from my garden except sa pork. You maybe find it weird na inuulit-ulit ko na mayroon akong gulay sa backyard ko, pero living in Canada guys, sa short summer and a cold weather, makapagtanim ka at makapagpabunga ka ng ganito is really a big achievement for us. Yan. Biruin mo yung alam nyo guys, kawawa yung mga gulay kasi nag-uumpisa pa lang sila magbunga ng marami, but lumamig na. Kaya yun, hindi na, na sila, nag-yellow na yung mga dahon at saka parang may mga burn na yung mga skin nila kasi malamig. They are all tropical vegetable kaya mahirap i-maintain. Pero pag summer talaga guys, tapos sagana sa dilig, ang kintab ng mga gulay, yung mga balat nila as in kintab, healthy. Pero ngayon kasi winter na, iba, okay pa rin naman sila, but soon, in 3 days, I don't think so they're gonna survive the weather. Kaya, having a garden, produce a tropical vegetable here in Canada, especially in Ottawa, which is the weather is cold compared to Toronto and other parts of Ontario. Very proud talaga ako na I have my own gulay. Kaya kain tayo ng pakbit coming from my garden, which is purely organic. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you on the next one. Bye!